Good day everyone, I am here with Coho Innovation, and today I will introduce to you another model of the coconut cutting machine. So here we have one machine, the cutting machine. So a manufacturer factory requested us to to fabricate a machine that would be used to cut coconuts. So here, this design is meant for cutting only. So if you don't have the time to extract the juice, this machine is suited for you. So here in this machine, we have a coconut here. So we put it this way. So make sure it's centered. So make sure that the coconut is clean. Make sure that the coconut is clean so that when the cutting process begins, the juice would not get dirty. So first you put it, you centered it, so you press the pedal below, you step on it to cut. So make sure you hold the coconut firmly. Okay, there you go. So once the cutting is done, you step on the left pedal to lift the machete or the bolo, and there you go. You have two halves of coconut. So you turn it on by turning off the second switch, and then you turn off the first switch.